Hello friend, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Playwright to automate check my links and test links of all the web pages of your website just in one go without you doing manually anything. So first of all, let me show you the one already working example here. What it will do, like very simple code. It is just like few lines of code you have to add in your existing Playwright script, and then it will do. So for an example, what it will do, like if I run this code, it will open the website and then it will download the report. Let me show you how. So I will just run this piece of code and then I will explain it. I'm sure like if you are working with Playwright and you are running the code and able to write the test case, you should be knowing this. So you see that the website got open. Here check my links got automatically started, triggered, and then it's verifying and getting the details of all the links on this web page. And you see that it has click on export all button, and then report has got downloaded here. And now we can go here and see here in the downloaded folder the report just got downloaded here, you see. And then if you open this, you will see the result, like all the links and everything of that particular web page, like links details in this report. Here you got everything. Okay, so now let us come back here in the code. So what you have to do, first of all, like how you can get, like, because when you run your script, like generally when you run this piece of script, like await page dot go to, it used to open the website, but by default when it open the website through Playwright, there you won't get the extension. So how you get the extension in your, first of all, in your like Playwright window, automated window. So for that you will have to add this piece of code in your script. Just as it is, you can copy paste the same code. So here what it will do, basically we will have to pass this extension path here in this code. The same code you can use, just that you will have to pass the path of extension code. How you will get this extension code, like let's say check my links. So here I will give this extension link here, crx extension. So what you have to do, just open check my links in Chrome browser store. If you will be having this crx extension, just right click click on that, and it will show here download as zip. So you just click on this, it will download the check my links code folder in your system, and then you can unzip that. Like let's say this is the one you just this is the one which has got downloaded. You can rename this, make it check my links. Let's say for an example, we will make this check my links code, and then unzip this. So now we have it here. What you have to do, you have to just copy paste this folder inside your test folder here. So you will not have to basically pass the complete path here. You can directly give that name of folder. So you see check my links demo, this is the same folder which we have downloaded for now, and then you can pass the name here. So you will not have to pass entire directory. If you have this folder somewhere else, then you have to pass this directory path here. So this is the path of extension. Now what it will do, like when you will when Playwright will launch the browser, it will load this particular extension into that. For that, this code has been written here. Okay, and if you want to get into like more detailed description, here on Playwright documentation you can find this. Let me just open this here. There also I have to explain something, so I just kept it open. So if you see here, Chrome extension, so here you can find the same piece of code and in details, but yeah, I'm showing here the working one. How does it you can utilize? I will also leave this code in the description so you can get it from there. So this is the one, and then so from line number 4 to 29 you have to add as it is in your script till line number 30. Sorry, you can add this piece of code as it is. Just make sure that you have this folder name of the code, like either it could be checkmylinks underscore demo, or you can change it something else. The rest all are like kind of static, you don't have to change anything. This code will work for manifest version 3. I'm sure like most of the extensions are now in manifest 3 version, so no need to show manifest 2, which was the older version. Chrome has deprecated that long time ago. So yeah, going forward you will always use this piece of code only, so you can directly use this. Okay, now what we are doing, so this code you are familiar with if you're working with Playwright, that you are opening the website. Then what we are doing here, we have just added a 5 second of wait so the website get loaded properly and everything. And then here, as soon as the website will open in the Playwright window, this will automatically, like check my links automatically will get triggered. You don't have to do anything. Let me just delete this line, not required here. Check my links will automatically get triggered. Then like here, for an example, if we open a website google.com, check my links, it will automatically get triggered. Now this check my links window, in this check my links window, we have to click on this export all button. Once this get 0 here, like basically it get completed, like all the links has been scanned and we got the result for them. If I refresh this, so you see that it is getting like count is decreasing here. So we basically it is verifying, getting the result for each and every link. So once this becomes 0, then only we are supposed to click on this export all button, right? And this export all button, where it is, and this queue where it is in this check my links window, right? But is this check my links window right inside the google.com? No, this is inside an iframe. Okay, so if you right click, inspect, here this is the export all button. If you go little up, you will see that this is inside iframe. So what we will have to do, we will have to switch inside iframe to access this particular element and this particular element. So here what we have done in the code, first we open the website, then test check my links automatically will get triggered. You don't have to click on the check my links button, that is already there. Now here we are getting this iframe element, and then like how we switch in Playwright, how we handle the iframe, we get the iframe, and then just like for that export all button and the q0 button or the element, what we will do, iframe dot locator, and we are looking for that particular q0. Like once that becomes 0, we got the result for all, we are waiting for that element to appear. So here you see that for this particular element we are waiting. Okay, like if you copy this XPath here, and if I quickly verify this one here, so this you can see 1 of 1. But if we refresh this, and the time moment here it is 110, it is showing 0 0. Okay, so we have to make sure that this get appeared. Once this will appear, what we will do, so we got this particular element, and then we will check count. So if the count for that particular element is greater than 0, so basically what we are checking here, if this particular element is visible, got loaded there, that 0, q got 0, once the q got 0, then we will get this particular element. So once we got that element there, basically like if that is not there, then it will be count will be 0. If it is greater than 0, that means the element is appeared there, got it there. Then what we will do, for a second you can skip this line, come to this line 48 number. Here what we are doing, we got the XPath for that export all button and we clicked on that. Okay, let me just comment this line here, this line as well, and this line as well. Okay, so for a second you just have 2 lines. Once the count is greater than 0, we will click on export all button. Okay, let me save this, and I will delete this check my links CSV file from here. Okay, or let me just delete everything from here for a second. Okay, so once this will click on export all button, we are expecting that CSV check my links download report should be there. Okay, I'm running the code now. So very simple piece of code, just have a look again. This is the normal standard code which you used to run. Then what we are doing, we are switching inside iframe. We are finding that Q0. We are looking for this element that all the links have been scanned, and we got the result. And then we are checking once that element is appeared there. Basically we are looking for greater than 0. Count, yes, element is there. Then we are clicking on that download button. Okay, rest all are common things. I will explain that. What is that? Now we will run this piece of code here. So browser got opened through Playwright script and checkmylinks got triggered. It is counting 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, and it clicked on export all button. Now files should be there in downloaded folder, right? Okay, so we'll go here and you see that there is nothing in the downloaded folder. It is coming because I have added wait time. So you can ignore this. This is not required for you. So here you can see that there is an export all. Download file is not there. Downloaded file is not there in my download folder. Why? If you read the Playwright documentation, when you download something, and by default it will download in the context of that particular browser window which Playwright has opened. So all the downloaded files belonging to the browser context are deleted when the browser context is closed. So once that browser context open through Playwright get closed, all the files got deleted. So how can we get this downloaded file in a different folder or in our downloaded folder? For that we will have to add this piece of code. Okay, so how we can utilize in our script, let me show you. So before clicking on the download button, we will have to set this promise, download promise page.wait for event download, wait for this download event, and then you click on that export all button, download button basically, and then you get this await download promise, and here you set the path of that folder where you want to download the file. So you can see there here download.save as. I have given the path of that download folder here, download.suggested file name. Okay, that's all. So you will have to have these 1, 2 and 3 lines of code to change the directory of the downloaded file, so that you will have it in your local system. Like same things has been explained here in the documentation of Playwright as well. Just that start waiting for download before clicking on no wait await. So we have done this. In place of this, we have just replaced this piece of line with our export all button click, and then this is constant in both the cases, just that you have to replace this file path where you want to get your file. Now we will save this and run the code, and we will see it will download there. So we are running this piece of code. It will open this and then it will click on that download button. Once it will get 0, that's where it will do that. Zero, file got downloaded. Now if you go here, we have this file under download folder. Okay, so this is how you can get the downloaded file automatically through Playwright by automating the checkmylinks. Okay, do let me know how you are automating, for which application, and how useful this is for you. And also use SelectorsHub to write, verify or generate Playwright selector. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.